Hamisha as an RCS Achika Matrang, a Duke called the Iona Fyfe, I see Fenjish and it's on Battle of the Bands. So Iona, tell me, what made you apply for Battle of the Bands?
I thought it was a very unique thing. It's the first time Hands Up for Trad have made a Battle of the Bands.
Yeah.
Thought it'd be very nice to be involved.
There's lots of great prizes up for grabs.
Yeah, I think you can get some recording time and some gigs at festivals, which is very, very handy.
Yeah, great. So tell me, who's in your band?
At the Battle of the Folk Bands, we're going to have Ross Miller on the border pipes, whistles and vocals, Luke McNally, who's also in Doska, on the guitar.
That's a bit of competition then.
Oh,
Controversial.
internal competition. Controversial. Ooh, awkward. Yeah, he's going to be doing some singing as well and playing guitar, and Charlie Gray from Inverness on the fiddle.
So you're getting all these lads to sing with you as well?
Yeah, they're all going to sing. It's a folk song band, so I think that it's really important to get Abdi singing.
Including the audience?
Yes, totally.
So when is the Battle of the Bands?
Battle of the Bands is on Sunday the 7th of May at 7 p.m. and you can get your tickets through the website, I believe.
Great. Well, all the best to you. Is he Chanel show?